In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Brevo SMTP. We're going to walk through generating a secure SMTP key inside your Brevo account so you can connect it to your website or application. Think of this key as a password that lets your tools send emails through Brevo's servers, so we'll handle it carefully and store it securely. Start by opening appbrevo.com in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the top right of the dashboard for the settings icon. Click that to open your account settings. From there, navigate to the SMTP API section. This is where Brevo manages credentials for integrations, including the SMTP keys we need. On the SMTP page, choose the option to generate a new SMTP key. You'll be asked to give the key a name. Use something descriptive so you'll recognize it later, like the website or app that will use it, and whether it's for production or testing. Clear names make it much easier to manage multiple keys over time. Next, you'll see the variant options for the key. You can review what's available, but for this setup, we'll go with the standard option. If you click the short option while exploring, simply switch back to standard for now. Keeping it standard ensures broad compatibility with most platforms and plugins. When you're ready, click Generate. Brevo may ask for a confirmation, so click Generate again to proceed. After a moment, your new SMTP key will be displayed. This screen is important because it's usually the only time the full key is shown. Click Copy to copy the key to your clipboard and immediately paste it into a secure place, like a password manager or a secure notes tool you trust. Do not share this key publicly and avoid storing it in documents that aren't protected. Once you've saved it, click OK to close the dialog. That's it for creating the key in Brevo. From here, you'll use this key in the SMTP settings of your website, application, or email plugin, along with the other SMTP details provided by Brevo. Keep the key safe, and consider revoking and regenerating it if you ever suspect it's been exposed. You can repeat these steps to create additional keys for different environments or teams, and give each one a clear name so you always know what it's for. You've now set up your Brevo SMTP key, and you're ready to integrate it where you need it. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your email infrastructure ready the right way.